Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon to my fellow lecturers and my fellow friends. So, before I start, I believe that most of us here are already tired and sleepy, and most of us have already done their speech. So I believe most of you just want to go home right now. So let's just make this simple and quick. So the title I have already given to Naim yesterday, but maybe he forgot. It's about the journey that turned my life. So fresh from my high school, it is different because in my high school, all the students there are from the same state as me. But when I finished the high school, I entered IUM, and there it was a really different place from me. At first, I was in the same room with someone from Selangor, a typical city boy who can even handle the smell of durian or tempoyak. And then it was opened my eyes because I have a new bright perspective from him just because he is from different state from me and has a different background from me. And another thing I want to add is I also befriend with another friends from another courses like engineering and architecture. In IUM, most of them are from elite families. They speak English with their families, and some of them can speak Malay fluently, but they can speak English more fluent than Malay. So when I have to speak with them, I must also speak English with them. And when I speak English with them, I feel like, oh, it's just you who should take these English courses and not me. I feel humbled by them. And when I meet someone with the same background as me, they have the really same background with me, but they can speak a better Arabic than me. And even until now, I must take a few minutes to process to just make a few sentences in Arabic, but they can just go on debate in Arabic. So that's a very new perspective from me in IUM. But in IUM, I also learned a few things that it's not just about your courses, because in IUM you also learn another subjects like you can learn law, economics, and computer skills. So even though you are taking English courses or just math courses or anything, it is another story for you because you can add more knowledge because you just learn something new from different subjects. And then after one unforgettable year in IUM, when I had finished my foundation, I got this offer in IBG to go to Johor Bahru. And of course, because the secret job, you just have to go here, be here, even though you have your position in Gombak. So when I entered here, I have another friend from IUM also, same with me, and he is also like me. We entered late. We are third intake students, and when I say third intake students, when we are in IBG, we are already wait for a few weeks other than another students and another our classmates. So that means we must find our time to finish our assignments, even though we come late, but the due date is the same with the other students who come early. So it's just a new pressure for us because we are a new students, but we must be in the same position as they are earlier students, and they have already bonded their friendships in their class. In the class, they already have their bond, but us, we are still trying to find time to replace the classes that we missed before, and we must find time to, make the assignments that we get before it's too late. So just imagine you have like 5 to 6 assignments and you just have to make it finish in a few nights. So, like it or not, me and my friends even though we just close enough, but we have to humble ourselves, put our pride down, and ask for our friends' help. And that's how we make our bonds in the class. So the conclusion here is I just want to conclude. No matter where you learn and no matter what your experience is, like me myself, I come late. I have finished my foundation in IAM, but I just need to enter back here, start over again. It's not just you are already late, you just missed 1 year of your life, but it's not. I just make my great experience in IUM and then I make my new experience here. So whatever it is, just face it like you need to face it. So that's all from me. Thank you.